Welcome to MyHousing. At the top of this page, you can see your student information, including your 7-digit ID number and UConn email. When reaching out to our office, please make sure that you include this 7-digit number so that our staff can locate you in our system and provide you with the most accurate information. Below that, you can see important messages, room selection information when a selection is underway, and assignment information. If future terms are available, such as spring 2021, you will see different tabs in this section that allow you to toggle between one term and another to see your information. In this case, we can only see fall 2020, and you can see the hall name, room number, what type of room it is, as well as the roommate information. In this case, Jonathan 14 is assigned to Alan 201, which is a traditional double, with his brother Jonathan the 13th. Roommate information is also hyperlinked so that you can reach out to your roommate and start connecting. On the right-hand side, we have different drop-down menus to help share some important information regarding MyHousing and other housing processes. If you have any errors or trouble using MyHousing, please email livingoncampus@uconn.edu so that our staff can assist you. At the top of the page, you will see 3 bars that open up a side menu. That includes a section on applications, personal information, and room selection. If you have any applications available, they will be listed under that section. In room selection, you will have the opportunity to select roommates and select a room or suite when those processes are available. In personal information, you have sections on My Information as well as Roommate Profile. In My Info, make sure that you are in the correct term for the most accurate information, and then you can change different information about yourself or share updated emergency contact information to help our staff connect with you. If you make any changes on this screen, please make sure that you click Save so that that information is updated. In the Roommate Profile section, students can decide their privacy level, whether they would like to display their information in profile in search results or to not display themselves when other students may be looking for a roommate. There's a contact preference section to let students know the best way to reach out to you, as well as a section where you can type in your own contact information. You can also use the My Profile section to share some additional information about yourself or what you're looking for in a roommate. All of this information will show up in roommate search results when a roommate pairing process is underway. Once you have finished updating your decisions, you can click Update Roommate Profile and everything will save. When you are finished using MyHousing, you can close your browser, or if you click the sidebar again, you can go to log out and that will also finish your session. In order to access MyHousing, if you go to https://reslife.uconn.edu, you will see the MyHousing login on the top right corner of every page. Please note that in order to use the single sign-on process, you must have your NetID and password ready. Your NetID is 3 letters followed by 5 numbers. If you have any other questions about how to use MyHousing for specific processes, please review our other tutorials or email us at livingoncampus@uconn.edu. For newly admitted UConn students, please note that you will receive access to MyHousing 3 to 5 days after your enrollment materials are processed. Thank you.